permission from a different landowner. We're hunting in his pasture for his cows. He said he sees turkeys out here all the time. We spooked a tom and a hen on the way in. Louis ready. This might be our last chance for the season here. So it's looking good. Time to get after it.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
You're what?
I'm gonna throw up.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go.
Nice.
Let's go.
Turkey.
Come on, go see him.
Yes.
Come on, go see him. Here, hang on.
Nice turkey.
Come here. Come over here. Stay right here. What do you think? Tell the story, bud. What happened?
Well, it was all about
Okay, here. How about we start from the beginning? What happened when we were walking out here?
we like saw saw a hen. We saw Jake and a Tom over there when we were like trying to go in, and then
We hurried and got all set up, right?
we got all set up, and then like Dad called 3 times, and then
what came out?
And 3 Jakes came out, and 2 Toms, and then we shot this Tom,
Yeah.
and then then I freaked out,
You freaked out?
and this is a big Tom.
Yeah. How long do you think his beard is? Long?
Probably like 40 long, but I don't know how long it is.
What do you think the beard's longer than the turkeys we saw this morning?
No, I don't think so.
Yes, they were. We saw 4 Jakes this morning.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Well,
How far did this one run? Didn't it all, did it?
Nope.
Dropped right over.
He dropped right over.
Yep. I mean, we were walking out at about 5 o'clock, and it's 5:45 right now, so
And
it didn't take us long at all, huh?
didn't take us long at all.
No.
Well, killed the turkey.
Yeah. And this is
But
this is the end to our turkey season, right?
yeah.
I got one. You got one. Till next year, right?
Yep. Until next year, I'm gonna get a buck.
Yeah. Yeah. Time
Right.
to start on food plots and some habitat work. Get ready for deer season. Thanks a
Yep.
lot.
Thanks a lot. Bye.